I'm really happy to be here again in Philippines. Thanks to BBQ team for inviting me. Let's enjoy tonight.
Okay, so I heard that you were here for a concert a few months ago, the Dreamers Dream Chapter 2. Who was there? Is anyone there? How was it? 어땠어요?
일단 우리 필리핀 팬들이 이렇게 너무 열정적으로 리액션 해줘서 지난 콘서트 때 너무 즐거웠고 그 기분을 못 잊어서 또 이렇게 좋은 기회에 여러분들을 가수로서 또 만나기 위해 찾아왔습니다.
So first of all, because of the passionate cheers of our Filipino fans during my concert, I had a really great time and I was able to come back to this opportunity because I miss my fans so much.
Well, I'm sure all your Filipino fans always support you. So, since you've been here in Manila several times, like, is there anything the best thing you love about this country or the people?
일단 뭐 가장 좋은 점은 친절하고 너무 열정적인 국민이라는 거, 네, 필리핀어 너무 사랑합니다.
First of all, is that Filipinos are very hospitable and very kind people, and that's what I love most about the Filipinos here.
And it's also not my first time, and I agree that Filipino fans are the best. Yes. So during your visits, have you get to try any Filipino food? Is there any favorites you have?
필리핀 오면 필리핀은 BBQ죠.
BBQ?
Of course, if you arrive in the Philippines, it's BBQ.
Is there any traditional Filipino food
뭐
that you
너무
have?
많아요. 볶음밥, 뭐 사태부터 해서 오늘도 공연하기 전에 필리핀 음식을 먹고 왔습니다.
아, 진짜요?
Yes, actually, there are a lot of Filipino foods that I tried, and even before the show, I also ate Filipino food a while ago.
Ooh. Okay, now that we're talking about food, do you have a personal favorite from BBQ chicken?
일단 뭐 가장 맛있는 건 이제 치킨 맛있고 어제 먹어보니까 김밥이 새로 나왔더라고요. 김밥 너무 맛있어요.
Of course, the chicken is the most delicious food in BBQ, and I also tried the newly released kimbap. It was also very nice.
Ooh, the kimbap. I loved it very well as well. 맛있었어요. Okay, that definitely sounds delicious. And once again, Seung-Gi, thank you for preparing your performance here tonight. So he prepared a little something for all of your fans here tonight, and I'm also equally